Okay. So, ganyan. Alright? So, ganun. 15 seconds. Ano ba yung effects? Let me just check. Okay? Yung end portion. Okay. So, ganyan. Alright? And then, after that, after your meron tayong tinatawag na mga YouTube intros. Okay? So, actually, I also make a YouTube intro for my channel. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa lahat ng mga videos ko. Okay? Yung YouTube channel. YouTube intro. So, nilagyan ko na lang siya ng music, guys. So, ito. Alright? So, wag dyan. Wag dyan. So, minsan, kapag ka nadikit siya, gumagawa siya ng random na animation. Okay? So, that's automatic. So, wag mo idikit. Okay? So, let's try. Okay. Ito na yung aking intro, YouTube intro. Same thing, pero mas pinaganda ko lang because I have it. So, ginawa ko ito like a month ago. Kasi dalawa na yung channel trailer ko initially. And then, after a month, parang binago ko na. Okay, so, ganun. Alright? And then, after that is your video. Okay? And we will check kung mayroon ba tayong kailangan i-cut. Okay? Kasi minsan, yung video recording ko, yung screen sharing ko, humahaba siya. Okay? So, as much as possible, yung mga YouTube videos ko, I'll try to really compress it into less than 20 minutes. Okay? Kasi nga, pag medyo mahaba na, minsan yung mga tao nabubore na. Okay, then pag mahaba yung videos tapos hindi bino-view ng mga viewers, so mag-affect siya doon sa retention mo. Okay? So like for example, 30 minutes yung video mo tapos yung minsan kasi according to I don't know, psychology ba? yung 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 mga utak natin parang more or less, siguro mga 15 minutes lang yung kayang masagat na straight na kapanood. So, more or less, dapat yung videos mo 15 minutes. Okay? So, para ma-full view talaga siya. Kasi pag pag nagsawa na, okay, nagkasawaan, ayay, alright. So, pag nagkasawaan na, so, hindi na nila, ini-skip na nila yung video mo. Okay? So, try to really compress. Okay? So, dito, nag-i-edit ako ng videos. Okay? Hindi pa pala ito. Okay. Yung ano pala, yung opening spiel. Okay? Usually, may mga opening spiel tayong mga nagaganap dyan. And then, I'll try to cut. Kasi, i-cut ko siya. Cut ko siya. Okay? So, ganyan. And more. Okay. So,
hello, mga Jack.
Okay. So, lalagyan natin ng animation. Okay? So, usually naglalagay ako ng every next clip, naglalagay ako ng animation start of the clip, okay? And then edge to center. Kasi from edge to center, you can have bottom up, okay? And then gaganon siya, okay? So, let's try from top to center, okay? And let's see. Ayan, okay?
Hello, mga Jackonatics. So, ayan. Parang may mali.
Effects pa tayo.
Okay. Asa na ba ako? Let me check. Okay. Hello!
Parang tanga lang.
Okay. So, nagtago lang ako guys para mayroong something. Okay. Well, again, hello mga Jackonatics natin dyan. Okay, so I heard 5 na kayo. Okay, congratulations to me for having 5 Jackonatics. Okay, so pwede na kayo mag-election kung sino yung president. Artista lang. Okay. Well, anyways, again, this is your tutor Jacko at your service.
Wow, okay. So, usually dito
Okay.
naglalagay
Well,
ako
anyways,
ng...
again, this is your tutor Jacko.
Ayan, okay. So, para makita siya, mag-override, so kailangan gumawa ka ng track, okay? So, isang track, ayan. And then, Actually, nakakuha na ano na ako, may green screen na ako para ma-edit ko for Chroma Key. Ito yon. So, as much as possible, gumagawa kasi ako ng ano, yung sa intro. Tutor Jacko at your service. Ito. Okay, so, as you can see, kasi nasa ano siya, on the upper track. So, ito yung nakikita. So, hindi nakikita yung video. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Kapag inilagay mo siya dyan sa taas, siya yung visible sa preview. Okay? So, siya yung nakikita. Yung video mo na tatambunan niya. Alright? So, ito yung, ganun yung OpenShot. And I think most of the video editors ay ganito naman. Alright? So, again, gusto ko makita ito lang. Okay? Yung Tutor Jacko at your service. Alright? And what do we need to do here is you go to the effects and then just apply the effect, the chroma key effect. Okay, so you just drag it, click, drag and drop. Okay, so ayan. So yung ano kasi usually, so makikita mo yung effects if you will have an advanced view. Okay, so andito na yung advanced view. Alright, so just click this one, this little letter C here, and then lalabas na yung ano. Iba kasi yung naging ano niya, yung itim kasi. Okay. So, itim yung kinroma key niya. So, this time, you will just click key color. Okay? So, key color and then select pick screen color. Okay? So, usually black kasi yung nagamit ko before. So, ito yung ano niya. So, you just need to click and then i-hover mo lang siya doon sa screen. Okay, ayan. So, green na siya. So, as you can see, ayan. So, nawala. Nawala na yung green screen. Ito kasi yung beauty ng green screen. So, kung makikita niyo mayroon pa siyang mga green dito. So, you just have to increase. Okay? So, usually yung ginagamit ko, yung fuzz niya is fuzz. Okay? 280. Okay? So, wala na. Okay? So, okay na ako dyan. Alright? So, ganyan. So, balik ako sa simple view. Okay? Ayan na. Alright? And then, para may effects siya, para hindi lang siya basta ganyan. Okay? So, gagamitan ko siya ng animation. Okay? So, i-animate ko siya start of the clip and then edge to center. So, I think it would be better kung ano siya galing sa right. Okay? Right to center. Ayan. Okay? So, let's see what will happen.
Okay. Well, anyways, again, this is your tutor Jacko at your service.
Ayan. Okay?
Okay.
Diba?
All right. Well, today's video, I'm gonna be, doing a video about still Canva. Okay. So this is actually my part 5 of Canva tutorial. And if you wanna
So, kinig
also
lang
check
tayo sa
out
sarili ko,
my
guys.
part 1 to part 4 video about Canva tutorial, just check it in the description. Okay, so I have in there the links to that videos. Okay, so yeah, today it's another Canva tutorial wherein it's one of the things that will make your YouTube channel visually looking good. Okay, and of course, one of the most important thing about it is that this will really help you, okay, attract new subscribers. Okay, because yeah, today we will be doing how to create your channel art. Okay.
Okay, mali ito guys. Actually dito yung sinabi ko channel art, okay? Pero actually what I will be making is a video channel, a channel trailer, okay? So mali. So I have to cut it out.
Attract new subscribers. Okay, because yeah, today we will be doing how to create your, okay, attract new subscribers.
Okay. So andyan, okay? So kailangan natin yung i-cut natin yung portion na mali yung sinabi ko or nasabi ko. So you just have to click the scissors, okay? Razor tool here, all right? Parang gunting. And then you just have to, like this one, okay? Para wala kang makat na iba, you go back to the razor tool, click it in again. Click it again. Ano ba itong English natin ay sa mga Bisaya talaga ba? Alright, so ganyan, okay? So ay konyo. Para. Ano mang good. So, ayan, alright? So, make sure, kasi nakapula pa yan, dapat hindi yan nakapula, okay? Kasi madadamay siya pag meron kang mga next actions. So, you just have to separate that one. And then let's see kung tama ba yung nakat natin. Okay.
It is that this will really help you, okay, attract new subscribers. Okay.
Okay. So mahilig talaga ako sa okay. If you notice guys in my videos, ang dami kong mga words na okay. Ako ata si Mr. Okay. It's not
First,
right, but
one of
it's
the most important thing
okay.
about it is that this will really help you, okay, attract new subscribers. Okay.
So andun pa rin si okay. Let's check kung wala na si
This will
okay.
really help you, okay, attract new subscribers.
Okay, so okay na yun. So dito, we will start the cutting. Okay? So, let's see kung hanggang saan yung ika-cut natin na mali na statement
Okay,
ko.
because yeah, today we will be doing how to create your channel art. Okay, for those of you who don't know what is a channel art, so channel art is actually something that is for new subscribers. Okay, so later I'm gonna show you how to edit, how to create, and also how to, you know, create your channel trailer in your video. Okay, so that your audience will have like, bits and pieces of your what you usually create. Okay, so it's basically in the channel trailer, at least 1 minute channel trailer. Okay, so well, I'm very excited for it. So I'm gonna show you how to new subscribers. Okay, so later I'm gonna
Doon tayo sa
show
later.
you art is actually something that is for new subscribers. Okay, so later.
So, andyan. So, later, ito yung person na sinasabi ko na mali. Okay? Channel art yung sinasabi ko, pero I'm actually referring to channel trailer. Okay. So, let's see.
Okay, so later I'm
Okay.
gonna
So, okay, put it this way. Okay? So, na-cut na natin yung mali na nasabi ko. Let's see.
one of the most
Kung maganda
important
ba yung
thing about it
transition.
is that this will really help you, okay, attract new subscribers. Okay, so later I'm gonna show you how to edit,
Parang pangit yung pagka, ano.
how to edit.
Saan ba yung,
About it is that this will really help you, okay, attract new subscribers.
okay. So, dito ata, yung may K.
Okay, so later.
K later. So, tanggalin si K. So, let's sumpay it back. Sumpay.
Really help you, okay, attract new subscribers. Later I'm gonna show you how
Parang hindi
to
maganda pag
edit, how to create new subscribers. Later I'm gonna show you how to edit, how to create, and also how to, you know create your channel trailer in your video. Okay, so that your audience will have like, bits and pieces of your what you usually create. Okay, so it's basically in the channel trailer, at least 1 minute channel trailer. Okay, so well, I'm very excited for it. So I'm gonna pull it up. Okay, so literal talaga na pull it up. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it up. Okay, and I'm gonna pull it up, and here you go. So let's get it on, Jaconetics.
Okay. So, ayan. Alright. So, idadagdag na natin yung main clip natin. Okay? So, this is actually the main.